If you want to change your voice pitch in CapCut, whether you're trying to sound deeper, higher, or just create a more polished audio effect, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your audio is already added to the timeline. This can be a voice recording, a voiceover, or any audio clip you want to edit. The key thing here is that the audio needs to be selected before you can change the pitch. So go down to the timeline and click directly on the audio clip. Once you select it, you'll see editing options appear on the right-hand side panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the audio adjustment tools, including speed and pitch controls. Now look for the option that says Speed. Click on Speed from the right panel and CapCut will open the audio adjustment settings for that clip. Even though this sounds like a speed tool, it also gives you access to pitch-related settings for your audio. Once you're inside the speed section, look for the checkbox that says Change Audio Pitch. This is the setting you need. Check that box to turn the pitch adjustment on. As soon as you enable it, CapCut will allow the voice to sound different without completely changing the timing in the way you might expect from a normal speed change. From here, you can fine-tune your audio depending on the effect you want. If you want a deeper voice, lower the pitch setting. If you want a higher or more cartoon-like voice, raise the pitch. Take a moment to preview the clip so you can hear how it sounds before finalizing anything. This is really useful if you're making content for YouTube shorts, tutorials, gaming videos, funny edits, or any project where voice style matters. A small pitch change can make your audio feel more dynamic, more creative, or just better matched to your video. If you don't hear the difference right away, make sure the audio clip is still selected and that the pitch option is actually turned on. Also double check that you're editing the correct clip, especially if your timeline has multiple layers of audio. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing your video as normal. Add any background music, captions, transitions, or effects you need, then export your project when everything sounds right. And that's how to change your voice pitch in the CapCut app in just a few simple steps. Select the audio clip, click Speed from the right panel, and check the box called Change Audio Pitch. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next one.